Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to backup your iPhone 16e to iCloud. You can also back it up to a Mac, so in case you want to do it, you can watch a video on our channel on how to back it up to Mac. But if you want to back it up to the iCloud, you can just go to the settings, then select your account at the top, and now go to iCloud. Then find iCloud Backup. Make sure that Backup this iPhone is enabled, and once it's enabled, it'll automatically back up the phone from time to time, especially when it's plugged into power, not used, and connected to Wi-Fi. But also you can back it up now in case you want to back it up now, for example, because you're going to do whatever stuff like reset your iPhone or do something else with it, install something that you think may break your phone, or if you are, for example, trying to repair it, to tear it down, then it's also great to back it up. And now you just need to wait until it backs up, and don't worry, you can still continue using your phone and doing everything. It'll back everything up automatically. By the way, you can also see all the device backups that you have saved here. So you can manage them by clicking on them and turning off and deleting that backup from that iPhone or iPad or any other device. You can see that the backup doesn't take too long because it has already been done on previously on this iPhone, which means that it just overwrites the things that have been changed. But if something wasn't changed, then it'll be left the same, so it doesn't have to take too long, and the backup is done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.